everyone, and once again welcome to my channel all about English literature. Our previous video was about character and characterization under elements of literature, and today we have brought second part of this video for you, that is types of characters, and we are going to study these character types in pairs which are contrasting in nature. ऑथर स्टोरीज में ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं ताकि रीडर्स को इन कैरेक्टर्स के मोटिव्स और एक्शंस को एनालाइज करने में आसानी हो. So let us discuss these character types with special reference to our most favorite Harry Potter series. So the first pair is protagonist and antagonist. Protagonist. Every story has this type of character and evolves around it. It is the main character or the hero and is also called the protagonist. It appears in the story from the start to end, and it is the one who fights with the situation and antagonist characters and takes the story to the happy or sad ending. A hero is at the center of the story and keeps the readers interested by showing his heroism and courage to stand by the truth and fighting against the evil and antagonist character. The protagonist often rises from nothing or comes out as a strong person after being a victim of a destructive event. Note that a fiction story doesn't necessarily have to focus only on one hero character. Many stories have more than one protagonist or hero who help each other and plays equal roles until the end. जैसे कि हैरी पॉटर ये कैरेक्टर ही हैरी पॉटर सीरीज़ का प्रोटैगोनिस्ट है, जिसके डेवलपमेंट के साथ इस सीरीज़ की कहानी भी डेवलप होती जाती है. कहानी की शुरुआत में ये एक कमज़ोर और अनाथ लड़का है, पर कहानी के आखिर में ये विजार्डिंग वर्ल्ड का हीरो बन जाता है. एंटागोनिस्ट. इन फिक्शन, व्हेन देयर इज अ प्रोटैगोनिस्ट और अ मेन कैरेक्टर who plays a role of a hero who takes the stand for the good and truth, the antagonist plays against this heroic character and tries to stop him by posing threats to his and others' lives. Note that an antagonist doesn't always need to be a person or a group of people working to ensure the misery of the protagonist. It can also be a difficult situation or accidental event that works against the main and positive character. This type of character is the life of a plot along with the main character and keeps readers interested by posing the questions and making them curious about what will happen next. We can also say that an antagonist, that is a negative person or a situation, is essential for the rise of a hero. Thus, this type of character is very important while you are writing a fiction. लॉर्ड वोल्डेमॉर्ट ये हैरी पॉटर सीरीज़ का मेन एंटागोनिस्ट है, जो थ्रू आउट द सीरीज़ प्रोटैगोनिस्ट को नुकसान पहुंचाने की कोशिश करता है, उसके रास्ते में रुकावटें पैदा करता है, जिससे स्टोरी में कन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट होता है और स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग बनती है. सो दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट पेयर ऑफ द अपोजिट कैरेक्टर्स. नाउ द सेकंड पेयर इज स्टैटिक कैरेक्टर एंड डायनामिक कैरेक्टर. Static character. Static characters are not an eye-catching part of the story, but still play an important role in the flow and help the main character in his or her intention. This character doesn't have strong characteristics or doesn't reveal much about the self. It also stays static throughout the story and fills the gap in the storyline. Such characters often have a very short role in the story, but sometimes the writer can make such characters very interesting and memorable by giving it a special style and manner. हैरी पॉटर सीरीज में भी हमें कुछ ऐसे ही स्टैटिक कैरेक्टर्स देखने को मिलते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मिस्टर फिल्च द केयर टेकर ऑफ द हॉगवर्ट्स। हॉगवर्ट्स में सालों से कई तरह के हंगामे होते आए, पर ये महाशय कभी चेंज नहीं हुए। शरारती बच्चों को पकड़ना ही इनकी जिंदगी का अहम मकसद है। डायनामिक कैरेक्टर। डायनामिक कैरेक्टर इज द अपोजिट टू द फ्लैट कैरेक्टर. This character plays a role that develops and changes during the events in the story. This character may change positively or negatively depending on the need of the story. It can be anything from a supporter of the main character to a partner of the antagonist, and may change its direction from positive to negative or negative to positive. This type of character often rises from a normal, non-important person to an important one and makes a significant effect on the story. इसका सबसे बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है नेविल लॉन्गबॉटम। कहानी की शुरुआत में इस कैरेक्टर के डरे सहमे और डम नेचर के चलते किसी को भी इससे कुछ बड़ा कर दिखाने की उम्मीद नहीं होती, पर बैटल ऑफ हॉगवर्ट्स में जब नेविल अपनी बहादुरी का जलवा दिखाता है तो कहानी के दूसरे कैरेक्टर्स और रीडर्स हक्का बक्का रह जाते हैं। तो ये थी सेकंड पेयर। नाउ लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द थर्ड पेयर, दैट इज कॉन्फिडेंट कैरेक्टर एंड फॉइल कैरेक्टर। कॉन्फिडेंट कैरेक्टर। A protagonist character's virtues often get highlighted with the help of a confidant character. This type of character in whom the main character can trust on, and it ultimately helps develop his heroic characteristics. A story often must have this character in order to support the development of the main character. This character doesn't need to be a person and can be an animal like a pet or any other object. Harry Potter series have dozens of confidant characters, जिनकी मदद से ही हैरी पॉटर बहुत सी चुनौतियों का सामना कर पाता है और फाइनली वोल्डेमॉर्ट को डिफीट कर पाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैरी पॉटर के बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स रॉन वीजली और हरमाइनी ग्रैंजर। इसके अलावा एल्बस डम्बलडोर, member of the Order of the Phoenix and Dumbledore's army, Dobby, etc. Foil character. This type of character plays a nasty and contrasting role that brings out the good qualities and highlights the caring nature of the other characters like a hero or the main character and other dynamic characters. It often plays a counterpart of the hero character and serves to add a dramatic effect to the story. An antagonist's characteristics are opposite to those of the protagonist, but a foil character works in contrast while comparing the personality of a hero with this character. It also helps a protagonist see the problems in a different way by bringing out another side of him. A reader will find this character helpful in understanding the main character. हैरी पॉटर सीरीज में ड्रेको मेलफॉय ये हैरी पॉटर इस कैरेक्टर का फॉइल है, यानी उसकी क्वालिटीज़ हैरी पॉटर से बिल्कुल अपोजिट हैं और इसी की वजह से हैरी पॉटर की पर्सनैलिटी और भी ज़्यादा निखर के सामने आती है। काइंडनेस, जेनरोसिटी, courage, all these qualities belong to Harry Potter, which Draco Malfoy lacks, and that's why Harry Potter means the protagonist of the story appears to be great. So this was the third pair. Now the last pair is stock character and round character. Stock character. Unlike other characters, the characters of this type are of no much value in a story. They are usually stereotypical and are conventionally used repeatedly in the stories of a particular type. They are like any guy found in the stories who just take the space but doesn't have any impact on the plot. They just come and go and are generally not recognized by the readers. This type of character sometimes fits in the flat character definition that comes in during any stereotypical situations as part of the society in the plot. They don't develop and can't get a special attention in the story, and yet they can be easily identified. They are just the part of the culture, like for example an unreliable servant in the Italian comedy that just makes fun and comments on something. इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है प्रोफेसर मैगोनेगल, जो एक टिपिकल स्कूल टीचर है और जो एजुकेशनल सिस्टम में स्टूडेंट्स और टीचर्स के स्ट्रिक्टली रूल्स फॉलो करने पर बिलीव करती है। राउंड कैरेक्टर, दिस इज द कैरेक्टर विच contributes the most in making the story interesting and keeps the reader confused about the person's actual nature. This type of character acts subtly and changes in the face of conflict. This character develops itself and rather becomes complex as the story progresses, as he or she doesn't stick to the limited qualities. This way, the character makes it difficult for the readers to fully understand and identify how the person will act in the story until the end of the story. You can call this character a main or major character, or also a dynamic character due to the changes and development in the personality. Another characteristic of the person with this type of character is that he or she seems more realistic by becoming inconsistent in his or her role throughout the story. It is even expected by the readers, as they see realistic characters like those around in the real world more connecting with normal human-like characteristics. I know कि explanation के वक्त ही आप समझ गए होंगे that this is going to be our potions master Severus Snape. Snape is the most complex character of this series, whose actual motives remain uncertain throughout the story. He is the blend of good and evil. Throughout the story, his most of the actions seem villainous, and we examine that he do have a dark side of the personality. But at the end, we become aware of his true intentions, his sacrifice, his love, and at that moment, he becomes our hero. So, here we have discussed all our character types. I hope कि आप सभी पॉटर हेड्स और मगल्स को भी ये एक्सप्लेनेशन बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो आप इसे लाइक, शेयर और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। इसी के साथ हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं। मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में, जहां हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेटिंग इस एलिमेंट के बारे में। टिल देन, कीप लर्निंग, कीप थिंकिंग। थैंक यू।